It's a beautiful day. So beautiful. Okay. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just wanted to check in and officially say good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today is, hold on, y'all. Let me see what today is. I have my watch somewhere. Where, I don't know. But, I don't know what day it'll be when y'all see this video. Here's my watch. I had it on the charger. So let's see what today is. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and say good morning to y'all. 8:36, April the 26th. And it's 8:36 in the morning. And so I wanted to show y'all a little bit of my morning routine. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. You may hear some talking in the back. I need to get up and go turn the TV off in the living room. Listen. But anyway, I wanted to say good morning to y'all. And I'm off work today. I don't have much planned at all. If I do something, I'm going to take y'all with me. You already know that. And so, yeah, I'm just up around the house. I think today, I got a little dry skin, y'all, on my chin. I think today is going to be more of a chill day. Reset my mind day. But anyway, I don't have nothing planned. Probably just be around the house. May go visit my sister or my mama. One of the two. If not both. But yeah, today is just going to be a chill vibe day. Enjoying this day off. That's what I'm using, y'all, for my dry skin. And y'all, I got this from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Y'all check the Dollar Tree out. They went up to $125, but they also went up in products. Like, they got some good products in there now. So y'all check them out. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and say good morning to y'all. Y'all seen me make that good coffee. So good. Say good morning to y'all. Hope y'all having a great day. I know most of y'all probably at work today. But me, I'm just home, chilling, relaxing, trying to get my mind right. Thinking about some things, life in general, like, seems like my mind just been going 100 miles per hour lately. So I'm going to use today to just calm down, relax, chill, spend a little time with God, and just reset myself. So that being said, I don't want to bore y'all with my talking. If I do something today, get out the house, I'll take y'all with me. I got up this morning and washed this wig. And when I installed and put it down, I put too much on it. I put my hair down too. So anyway. But yeah, y'all, I'll be back if I decide to do something interesting. I'll get back on here and show y'all what I'm doing. Just take y'all along with me. Today is Tuesday, so it's really not much to do. But like I say, just be peaceful and enjoy life. Just relaxing. So I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I decided to get out for a minute. And I know I said if it's interesting, I'll get back on here, but it's probably not going to be very interesting. I'm just going to probably go sit by the water a little bit, enjoy your little nature, possibly, and I think I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and see if they have any shades first. I need some shades. So I'll probably do that first and then go sit by the water. I may swing by my sister's house and see if she want to go out there with me just to get out and get a little vitamin D. So I will, I'll get back on here once I get to Dollar Tree. Let y'all see what type of shades they have and which ones I picked, if any. Tree. Let me show y'all what I got. Picked two of the same ones, just different colors. Let y'all see how they look. If I can get this paper off of them. Off of them. Y'all, it's pretty today. But I wore the wrong clothes. It's a little chilly. I thought it was actually warm because it looked so pretty when I looked outside. But it is a little chilly. Too chilly for my outfit. I put on some shorts and a t-shirt. Y'all got to get that paper off. I'll do it later. But this is one pair that I got. Let me show y'all the other ones. They the same ones. They're just black. Same. They're just black. They didn't have a lot to choose from. Of course, it's the Dollar Tree. That's okay. I'm just trying to get the paper off of them. I'll clean them up better when I get home. And this is the other pair. You are so beautiful to me. So yeah, this is what I picked up the Dollar Tree. And this is what I'm going to be wearing. I guess I'll wear these for now. So, I think I'm going to head to my sister's and see. I also bought some gum. Sugar-free gum. See what's on her agenda today. I'm trying to talk her into going to the water with me. And go sit by the bank. Get a little vitamin D. A little nature. Hear the birds chirping. May see some fish jumping. We'll see. Trying to get this gum open. Yeah, I know I said I was going to chill today, which I am chilling. I just felt the need to get out the house. I'm not going to go in no stores today. At least I say that now. Besides that Dollar Tree to get those shades. Get these shades. Because it's like, every time I come out the house, I spend money that I don't even have. And so I'm staying out of the stores. I don't need anything. Thank God. So I'm just going to relax and enjoy the beautiful day today. Let me let y'all see how pretty it is. No. Hey y'all, I made it to my sister's house. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I made it to my sister's house. We sitting here chitter chatting. Jane want to say hi to the beautiful people.
Let me check it out. See, are you there? Good morning, America.
Yep.
God bless you all. God bless you all.
I come to my sister's house because we sits in the car and have us some good little conversations. My sister is very positive and very encouraging, and sometimes I come over here and I get a good encouraging word sometime to just uplift your spirit if nothing else.
Yes, Lord.
And so we sit in the car sometime and chitter chat. But I ain't asked you, you want to go to the water over there by you know, the little pond thing? It's a little chilly now though. Still kind of chilly.
You talking over there where they be fishing at?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna show you that other spot where I was at when I called you.
Okay, let
yesterday,
me go.
And I said, I was at that little spot, the nature spot. Well, y'all, we're going to be back because we're going to do some chitter chatting today. We're going to do some chit and chat.
Yes.
We'll be back when we make it to the water.
Yes. You have something in your bubble.
We back, y'all. I want to get this lady back there.
Getting any bites?
Not yet. She may not want to be on my channel. There's my sister.
My brother, he loves to come out here and fish. He's a fisherman.
It's a pretty day, y'all. It is really nice out. I'm about to fall. Y'all check out my Dollar Tree shades. Check me out. Check me out. You say hi to the beautiful people.
Hello again. Hello.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
pretty out here.
It's beautiful. I told y'all today was just gonna be a chill, cool, relaxing day. Let me let y'all see the water. Y'all, it's just something about outside, the nature, the beauty of it. Just, yes. It just calms your spirit. Mine, anyway. Need to quit talking to these nets. Excuse me. Get in my mouth. I should have brought my fishing pole. You catching anything?
I just turned in the water.
Oh, what'd you get? What'd you catch?
Fishing too.
Oh, you. Oh, you just put your lines in the water. Oh, okay. It's pretty out here, y'all. That's what I said.
Come from sometime it come from.
Let me quit talking before I get some nets in my mouth.
Hi. All right about yourself. It's nice how they don't put the bar and stuff here.
But at least the bench is clean. It normally full of worms, you know, full of a lot of nasty looking stuff. But it's clean, y'all. It's pretty out here, right?
It is gorgeous.
Yeah, I had to take me a wind down day because sometimes my mind be going so much I have to take a breather, have some prayer. And I can always go to my sister, honey. She'll come and right on down and tell me, Bev, you just got to wait a minute, wait a minute, just reset yourself and take it one day at a time, because sometimes I catch myself, find myself, just going and going and going and going. Yes, Lord. Trying to do too many things at one time.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Would you
Thank
be
you,
mine?
Lord, for this beautiful day.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Yes.
Peaceful. I get joy when I think about
What he's done for me.
I get joy when I think about
What he's done for me.
I get joy when I think about
What he's done for me.
so much joy when I think about
What he's done for me.
what he's done, what he's done,
What he's done for me.
what he's done, what he's done.
What he's done for me.
We can always sing our way through it.
Think about it. Just think about a
Yes.
little thing. It's just a little small thing. Jesus.
Yes,
Woo!
Lord.
That's it right there. You just have to say, thank you, Jesus.
Okay.
Yes, Lord.
Well, yeah, y'all, it's pretty. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine?
Could you be mine?
Would you be mine?
Yeah, I remember that song.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, y'all, we just enjoying the day. Enjoying the day. We'll be back. We find something to talk about with y'all.
Gorgeous.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, gorgeous. How sweet it is. It's so pretty out here today.
It sure is.
Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful weather. Can't wait to get on that beach. The beach time is coming.
Yes.
Believe that.
Tell Keena we on our way.
Okay. On our way, Keena, when it be now. Yeah, ma'am. It's a beautiful day. So beautiful.
Okay. It's pretty, y'all. It's gorgeous. God has blessed us again with this Okay, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And ring that bell so you'll be notified. Ring that bell. Ring that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be great. Be the best you that you could be. Put God first in everything else or fall in line. Bye, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace.